Chad Jenkins here to talk a little bit about referral collaborations. A referral collaboration is where no money is changed hands. And it, at the same time, is the most authentic level of referrals that I have found. But a referral collaboration is when you, as an individual, decide to extend your trust relationship with someone else who you have reached to, whether it be an individual or to an association or to a group. Referral collaboration, no money changes hands. A lot of these, just like Dan Sullivan has taught us, they last for 25 or more years, and you should go into them with that kind of expectation. When it doesn't, they move faster than when there's a prospective sale to do the right thing. Those are the types of referral collaborations I've been fortunate to establish along my journey, and those are the types that I help entrepreneurs around the world identify, structure, and then optimize our ISO framework, which we'll get into a little bit later as we continue our journey of learning the different types of collaboration. So thanks for the consideration. I hope that you are able to self-implement, and if not, have a whole community here ready to help you. Thank you.